Hey gang, come along with me as I travel from my workshop in Kentucky to the Harvey Industries warehouse in LA to build out their workshop studio, all while documenting the whole process of working with their team, video production, building partnerships, woodworking content, and everything in between, in a series I'd like to call Making the Cut. Follow along and let's have some fun. Welcome to episode 1 of Making the Cut. In this episode, I'll take you through all the steps of using acrylic templates to make beautiful pieces in all shapes and sizes. Hope you enjoy. I want to take another second to thank another one of our channel sponsors, Sam at Uncharted Customs, who made all of our acrylic templates for projects that we're going to be using throughout the next couple months. The acrylic is great because it gives you an edge. You attach it to your workpiece and it gives you an edge to run your flush trim bit to recreate this exact shape. So that's what we're going to be showing you. And the clear acrylic is really great as well, so you can position your piece exactly where you want it. Let's say you want to get this really cool shot here, you can attach it right there, whereas with like a piece of MDF, you'd just mostly be guessing. So that's one of the pros that we're going to show you about. So what he made for us, we've got some coaster blanks, we've got some charcuterie board, the entire templates. We've just got some charcuterie board handle templates that you would use maybe if you've got a piece with a nice cool live edge that you want to maintain and you just need a handle. We've got a wine caddy. These are always popular, that holds the wine and the 2 wine glasses. A beer flight board. And then some seasonal items. We've got a heart shape for Valentine's Day that's coming up, as well as a shamrock for St. Patrick's Day. So just some fun, cool projects. But we're going to be showing you how to use these, and thanks again to Sam for making all these templates for us. We're back on our acrylic project, and the first thing we had to do was pick out some pieces and lay out our templates. So we're here now, and we've got a good mix of hardwoods and even some really cool epoxy pieces to give you a full kind of range and variety of what you can make. And so as far as the steps for this process, we've done layout. We're about to mark our rough lines around our templates. Then we'll take these over to the bandsaw and get our rough edge. We'll come back here, double side tape our templates to our pieces with the close rough edge, then take them to the router table, use a flush trim bit and get us that exact matching edge. And then after that, it's up to us what sort of edging finish we'll do from there. Some might get a round over, some might get a chamfer, some might get nothing, and then we can go to final finishing. So those are the steps we're going to start to walk through and show you how to take this rough stuff to some beautiful final pieces. At this point in the process, once you have your light lines, it's sometimes helpful to go back over with a big Sharpie and X out all your waste areas. This kind of helps once you're on the bandsaw to just keep you straight on what's your good pieces and what's your waste pieces. And like I mentioned in the intro, all we're doing here is trying to get close to our light edge outline line and leave just a little bit of work for the router table. Just getting our rough edge established on all these pieces. Thanks for watching episode 1. Come back next week and we'll finish up this project on the router table and show you where these acrylic templates really shine and we get our final edges. Thanks again, and if you like what you've seen so far, please subscribe to the channel.